ya Bwamba.
Okumara emyaka n'ebisibo abebembezana n'abatura ba burijo muri district ya Bundubujo batwire nibashaba district ya Bugendera obweru kwiho ha district ya Bundubujo okwenda ngo buhereza bukahika hihi abeshara yabe kija kushikira bwanyuma y'abanyishengero ba NRM kwagere kiteseki omurukiko rubagizireho na mukuru w'ihanga ahanshongeji obudingi yabwa bwamba n'ubwenda government banze yagire biyaterezo muri district eji ebitarukurunji bataka bahire district ndijo.
The issue is whether this district will not be annexed to Obusinga bwa Rwenzururu, knowing that Obusinga bwa Rwenzururu is best in Kasese and Obudingia bwa Bwamba is best in Bundubujo. So the fear and the suspicion why all this negotiation is taking place is to guard against in the future the leadership of the new district Bugendera annexing it to become part of the geocultural space of Singapore.
Katichiro w'ubudingi ya Charles Obukantwa nagira ngo ensharo za district eji zubanze zicumintiro zubweho district etakatongozibwe.
When Bugendera was being created as a county, it was small. The population could not allow it to attain a county status. But we got some areas out of Bwamba and gave it to Bugendera. So that is one of our complaints. We are complaining that if Bugendera has reached a level or has grown, so let us now take what we gave it to it. Those were the places like in Totoro, Tama Mitunda, and some other parishes which we gave Bugendera when it was still young.
Bukantwa hona nagira ngo emyanya nkabundubujo na nyahuka tawona kanso eyine kubanza yaza harengo rwa municipality okwenda ngwe change chichikakura.
Let us also have a municipality, and you have seen Bundubujo. If now these other two places are added to us, it will be big. That is why we are saying if Bugendera is a district, it remains under Obudingia bwa Bwamba, which is Bwamba. Now we should get a municipality. Now we have grown even in Nyauka, 2 municipalities and a county, like how they have done other areas.
Ebigambo rwo mu rukiko urwebembi rwo mudinginya wa Bwamba Martin Ayonje Kamya
Mulemo bwa Bungongo kyone kikyakasiye yes kitumbi kikulunkene kulera kwa bana Burondo kwa bana Butama Mitunda kwediye.
Urukiko ruhona rushirwamo RDC wa Bundubujo retired Major Mugambirwe Jones.
Bugendera n'aba Bundubujo gwena nimbashaba excitement ya district nimwe mwashabire ngo Bugendere gende government yakigaruka yagiba hati ni muyombera cyo mucyarwanira cyo akanta kari kubatawanya kace ba member ba parliament bari kwesindira ndo bari kutomururo mu bantu.
As church, we shall continue preaching peace, unity, reconciliation, and coexistence.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.